Hello guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to do basic coding. So make a long arm C slash script like how I did, and you wanna open it. You'll see it looks like this, right? You wanna delete before you start. This is all you should have. Then you wanna type in public game object layer. This will be editable in inspector inside the script, and with the game object you can do blah blah blah. And you wanna do public flow arm length equals 1.25 like this. So you can edit this inspect of how long you want your arms to be. Now you want to do player.transform.local scale equals new vector 3. Then just do arm length, long arm length, long arm length, and then that's simple life for you. And this should work as you expect it to. Just give a sec for it to load. Then after that's loaded, you want to basically make a game object like how I did and attach it and make sure it's disabled. Now click play. You gotta put in the player, the real player. Oh yeah, I forgot. And see, I just have this music in my game. Okay. So you'll see that the arm length is that when you click long arms. Wait, I forgot to assign it. Make sure you put grill player and then click long arm C. And now if you check grill player, it'll be that at all. But now when you want to disable it, oh, it doesn't change. So this is a simple fix. So go to whatever you want, right? Like, no, this one. And then you want to type in void on disable. I'm pretty sure it's that. So when it's disabled, it should set the player dot transform dot local scale equals new vector 3 1f. I'm pretty sure I did that right. Void on enable on disable should be it. Basically, when the object becomes enabled and active, it will run this, and when the object's disabled, it will do this. So now once you do that, now you want to set the gorilla player, and now it should work as intended. Let me just adjust my mic. Yeah. So you can see the players here. Long arms, right? You can see my the player scale is that. And now if I disable it, it is back to 1. So you can tell longs. That's how to make working long arms. And now I'm going to teach you how to do speed boost, which is also a really easy thing to do. So create C script speed boost, whatever you want to call it. And this. Now, in my opinion, because you don't really have to use it on enable, but you just want to do like gorilla locomotion dot player dot instance max jump speed set for max jump speed to 6.5 like 6.5 f is the original, and the gorilla just type in what I'm doing dot player dot instance dot jump multiplier. These are the original. Set them to like whatever you want, like 9f 22. That's what I recommend, kind of, or 1.8, and that works. But if you want to do it a different way, you can do public jump speed, and then another public float jump multiplier. And then instead of doing this, you can do jump speed and jump multiplier. That's the second way. Either way it'll work when you enable it. And I am positive this would work. See, jump speed and jump multiplier. If I do this, speed boost, now that, bam. Now this should be set on that. If you don't want to have to manually set it, just do this. That'll make it automatically set to those default values. And by the way, if you want to add a header, do say that you made this, just do this header, then this, and then whatever you want, like by eternity or something like that. Just wait for it to load up because it takes a bit for the scripts to compile. And when you check again, speed boost made by eternity. Those are helpful with sorting things out too. And now I'm just gonna set this to like 2 and this to 90 to make sure it actually works when we enable it. So this should work though, because it's a basic script. If you don't like it, how these hands are like this, just do this. Well, you also got to do 0, 0, 0. So they just drag the gorilla player. I just like that, as you see. Now with that working, see if I just do like this, it's normal jump height, but now if you enable speed boost, it is way higher. As you can see, it works. Now, if you want to, like, have grow arms, I didn't re-enable. To make grow arms, it's kind of the same, but so just do grow arms. Your game should have easy input automatically installed when you use house or spring. If it doesn't, just add it. Now grow arms is easier than you think. All you gotta do is just do if easy input. There you go. Dot get on. What did I mess up? Dot get grip button down. Easy hand dot. I recommend the left hand for shrinking. So if you want to put a little header here, just do shrinking. And you can duplicate it, but replace this with right. Then replace it to growing. These are all easy mods by the code. Now, obviously, if you're lazy, or if you want to just do public game object, I think you can actually do something else. But I'm just going to use this method. It will basically just find the player.transform.local scale. It will plus. No, mine is that. New. I think I might have messed up, so I'll just check. Oh yeah. On. Give me a second. I just need to check what I did wrong. Through this. Oh yeah, my dumbass. Okay, I'm just being dumb. So you do the method like, oh, there we go. My dumbass just realized that I put a plus instead of no. Don't do what I just did there. Then just copy this. Well, add it. I recommend you do like 0.05 for this. Now I'll just do second way here. Now the second way of doing this is like the same, except you do gorilla tagger dot instance dot transform dot local scale. Then just do it with that. That's the other way to do it. With this way you don't need the player, so I'll just remove this. That's how I would probably do it. Just, and that will work, to mention. Now, just to mention, if you want turning to, like, because you're in house update and turning's broken, I will show you an easy fix for that. Well, depends if you want it on or off. Just name it like turn or something like that. Wait for it to load. Just give it a sec as it loads for you. Open it, then remove that. Now just do if easy input stop. Now get easy. Oh yeah, give me a second. Just imagine you might have to add this every single time. Easy input get from that. Then I'm pretty sure it's e hand dot right hand dot x. I think that is that. I think that's it. I don't know. I'm pretty sure if you want to as well, you can just do thumbstick down. But then that'll error, so you have to really do this. Then just do gorilla. I think this method also works. What am I? Instance dot play. I just text no. You don't. I think it's yeah. Locomotion. Dot player dot instance dot turn. Just do 10f. Then to do the other one, basically depends what way. So this will turn you left. Checking if your joystick's going right. This left. And this one just do -10. I mean, if work and turn in your game. It is easier than you think. And yes, it looks hard, but it's not that hard. Now, let's give it a sec. And that's turn. Now, the last model I'll show you how to code is fly. Now, fly is a bit more complex for you people. It's not as complex as you think, though. So, do the same as before. You don't have to do it for every single script. If you want to make start thing, then you can. I'll teach you how to do that stuff later. Easy inputs dot get primary button down, which is the A button on the controller. Then I'm gonna do right hand because that's A button. It'll be X or Y. Yeah, it should be X if you do it on your secondary. Now this is like that. You want to make it check, find the camera, camera equals camera dot main. Then you want to make sure that camera exists. If you don't know what this does, it just checks if the camera is existent. Make sure it actually exists, because if it doesn't, then what's it gonna edit? Then after that, you want to do gorilla tagger dot instance dot transform dot position plus equals. I actually did it that time. Transform dot forward. This star thing, whatever speed you want. Like for regular, I do like 2, 5, or 4. I'll do 4. Then you want to do instance dot get component, and you want to make sure it gets the rigid body component dot velocity, and you want to set that velocity to factor 3.0. I get setting for velocity 0. I recommend I'll s- I'll just put like I'll just put a little note here, because I'll be posting all of these in my Discord, and then that is how to do that. Oh yeah, yeah, I should probably teach y'all how to do this. It's really easy to. It is just a basic, simple, no tag freeze for all people who hate tag freeze. Good sec. Okay, when it's loaded, this is all you gotta do. Just remove that, that. Then literally just do locomotion dot instance dot disable movement equals false. Then bam, you have no tag free. And that is all I'm going to teach you today. If you're curious, these do work. I'll post them in the Discord. Make sure you join my Discord in the description. Bye bye.